It's a little bit later than what I wanted to. Well, about a week later than what I wanted to plant. But I've got my seed potatoes in the ground. They're a little bit drier than what I wanted, so I planted them a little bit closer than what I like. I like them about 6 to 8 inches apart, and I put them about 4 because I don't know how well they're going to sprout being dried so long. But the paper and the brown that you see is some aged chicken manure that I've had since last fall that I've been saving just for this occasion. And now that I've got my trench dug, my manure put in, and my seed put in, it's time to cover it up, and then we'll take a look at the finished product. Okay, came back. I covered them up with about 4 inches of soil. Got a few weeds on top, but that's not a problem. I'm gonna try something new this year. In between the rows, I've got enough space that I'm gonna plant my English peas, green peas, or garden peas, however you guys say them, from whatever part of the country you are. In between my onions and my potatoes, I should get me 2 rows in there solid. Well, probably just do 1 because I've got to be able to take enough dirt from here up to here when the potatoes get higher to heal them up so I'll have a good crop. And that's all there is to planting potatoes, other than now just waiting to see what comes up. So guys, that's my 2019 Irish potato planting finally complete. Later than what I wanted due to illness and schedule conflicts, but it's done. Planted them a little bit thick to make sure I had a good stand. It may cost me a little size in the long run, but it might all work out for the best. So we're gonna see how it goes, and in a few weeks we'll know when the potatoes start to sprout. Then I'll give them a dose of fertilizer to go on top of what they already have in the bottom with the chicken manure. I'll heal them up, and then I'll do that again about 2 weeks, 3 weeks later, depending on how fast they grow, with another dose of fertilizer, and heal them up one last time, and they're done until they make. Easy as pie. Not a whole lot of work involved. Now, I don't know if you've heard the goats in the background, but they're hollering, they're wanting their feed, so you know the drill. This is Morgan with Agape Farms. God loves you, so do I. If you like what you see, be sure and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button. It helps the rating so much. Gets me promoted in front of a whole lot more viewers. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. God bless you all. Until next time.